Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Courtney and I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark and eBay. And today I'm here with a Goodwill bins haul. I don't know why I said that weird. Goodwill bins haul. So I want to say this was a week and a half ago. I went down and I met up with one of my reseller friends, Margaret. She has never been to the Goodwill bins and she finally sent me a message and said she was ready. She was ready to give it a shot. So we met up and it was an okay day. It wasn't my best day. I actually walked away saying, oh, I didn't really get anything amazing until I actually came home and ran some comps, and then I discovered I did have one amazing find and then a lot of just good finds. But anyways, I spent on this stuff $39.52. Our Goodwill bins are $1.99 per pound for clothing. And I got 26 items to resell. So it was a fun day. And Margaret, if you see this, it was a lot of fun hanging out with you for your first bins day. So before I jump right in, if you aren't already subscribed and you like reseller content, definitely consider hitting the subscribe button down below. And if you enjoy bins hauls or just hauls, hitting the thumbs up means a lot to me. So let's just jump right in. So the very first item is my favorite one, and my cell service was not great that day. Sometimes in the bins locations that I go to, sometimes I lose cell service and it makes it hard to look up comps. And this first one I picked up, which is a pair of boots. I knew they looked funky and fun, but I didn't recognize the brand. So there's the bottom. And so it says Ash, size 36, leather sole, handmade. And then they've got this really cool kind of skull, kind of tattoo print, and just looked good quality. So I didn't recognize the brand. Fortunately, Margaret did. And although she wasn't able to give me comps for this specific item, she did say that she had something in her closet, and I want to say she had it priced for about $200. So I felt like, okay, I'll trust her on this one. I'll pick them up. And sure enough, when I got home, these are, I can only find one listed, and I think they're listed for $215, and they're not the same size. So I'm actually going to start these at $205 and probably just accept an offer, depending on how long they sit, between $150 and $175. But just very cool and just a new to me brand. So next up is a pair of Doc Martens, and I have found quite a few Docs, but I've never found the sandals. So these are brown sandals, Doc Martens. These are size 39. They seem to be in really good condition. On the bottom, you can see that there are toe marks, so they have been worn, but still really great condition, very heavy. So with these, I'm hoping to get somewhere between 35 and 45. All right, next up was, most of it's clothing, but I got the two shoes. I got this one belt, which is just a brown leather belt and kind of simple. It's by Cole Haan, and it is a size 38. So just kind of a classic. It's been worn, but it's not like shredded or anything. It still has very light wear. So with that one, I'm hoping to get somewhere between 15 and 20. And then this is the only bag I found. I still need to clean it up and take photos, but I thought it was fun. Again, I couldn't look up comps for most of the day, so I was kind of winging it. But this is a Ted Baker London, and you can see there's some black marks. Again, I haven't attempted to clean this. A few black marks over there, but it's just kind of fun and just a nice little tote. It does say right here, you've really got a hold on me, which is cute. I did get a little Lululemon bag that I sometimes use when someone buys something Lululemon. But anyways, with this, after looking up comps, I'm looking to get, if I can get it cleaned up, maybe 30 to 40. If I can't get all the marks, which, that's already rubbing off. So I think if I get it cleaned up, there are some pin marks down here. So depending on how clean up I can get it, 30 to 40, or if I can't get it all the way clean, then maybe only 20 to 30, but it's still fun. All right, so the next one is a dress. And this is, let's see, backwards. It's just this really cute lace kind of fit and flare dress. And this is by Eliza J. And this is a size 4, just really cute, very feminine. And so I'm hoping to get with this. I believe they sell this at Nordstrom and a number of different department stores, but I'm hoping to get about 26 to 32 for that. If you've never seen my hauls, I like to give a range. It's not where I list things, I actually list higher, but that's just the range based off of comps that I'm seeing of what I should expect. And I usually won't take the lower of the price unless it's been sitting for a while, but all right, so this is a little t-shirt and I thought it was really cute. It has this little cat coming out of the pocket, Rip and Dip. This was another one I couldn't look up, but I figured just based off of style, it is a size small, but I couldn't find one exactly like this with the tie-dye, but I did find a number of them by this brand with the little cat in the pocket. So with this, I'm hoping to get about 15 to 20. This one is, I believe this is the North Face Denali, not Denali, the YouTuber reseller, but the line. And it's just a full zip men's black jacket. And I believe this was a size extra large. I think everyone knows what the North Face tag looks like, but just in case, that's what it is. So it does have a little bit of pilling, which I might go over with the sweater shaver. I did wash it, which it actually has my hair on it. But anyway, so I've got to lint roll it and try and maybe sweater shave some of the pilling off. But if I can get it cleaned up, looking at about 35 to 45 for my expected sale price. This is an Anthropologie brand, and now I've got my hair all over. An Anthropologie brand called Eloise. And let's see, it's a little hard to read, but hopefully you can see it. And this is a size medium, just a really cute little light dress. You can see down at the bottom with the lace. And I love when the dresses have a little bit of elasticity at the back, just because then it kind of helps fit anyone who decides to buy it. So with this one, I'm hoping to get 26 to 32. This one is another one I still need to lint roll. I've taken photos of most of this, but not all of it. But this is a really cute little navy and blue polka dot, and it's got the buttons up the front. I don't know if it's picking up. This is by ModCloth, and it's a size medium. Looks like it might not be picking up the label very well, but hopefully you can see that. So the skirts by ModCloth tend to do better if they're plus size, at least from what I could see in comps. So when I did the range by medium, I'm looking at about 26 to 32 on that as well. Some of them were less, but they were kind of the plain ones. And because this one has a print, the print one seem to do a little bit better. So that's what I'm aiming for. This is a little sweater. It's Sleeping on Snow by Anthropologie, and it's a size extra small. I did find this exact one sold a couple times. So with this, I'm hoping to get about 24 to 32. This one, I thought it was so cute, and then I was kind of disappointed when I looked up the comps. But it's another Anthropologie. It's Holding Horses, and it's got this little zebra print. At least I think it looks like a zebra. But Holding Horses is the brand, and it's just a really cute little button down, lightweight button down. And they do have a number of these listed, but it looks like I'm only going to be able to get 18 to 24 with that. So it was still lightweight and didn't cost much, but I just thought with the print, oh, maybe this will, I don't know. But it's still a great return on something. That's the other thing. All of these broke down to about $1.52 per item. So $1.52 to 18, I'll take it on a cute print. So this is another Anthropologie, and it's just a knit lightweight cardigan. It does have 3 clasps right here, so you can kind of clasp it, but knitted and knotted, which is a little hard to see with theirs, but that's what that little dot is. And this is a size medium, just really, it's kind of a little bit longer cardigan, which is nice. So with that, hoping to get about 26 to 32. This one I thought was so cute. It's a little bit of a puffy skirt. Another Anthropologie. I don't know if this is sold anywhere but Anthropologie, but I know that this is sold at Anthropologie. Ava Franco. And it's a size 0, which either before this video or after this video should be a video on my analysis of sizes and how they've sold for me, since I know that a lot of people say small sizes don't sell for them, so I decided to dig into my own data. Again, check out that video. It'll be right before this or right after. But yeah, so just a really cute little skirt. And with that, I'm not hoping for much, maybe 20 to 28. So this is a pair of Joe's jeans. And I like distressed anything. Joe's, and these are a size 26. They're the slim crop, and they're just distressed, kind of rolled, but they're not permanently rolled. I just rolled them for photos. But yeah, just a really nice basic medium wash distressed crop jean. So with that, I'm hoping for about 25 to 35. This one is a True Religion lightweight, and this actually had a style name written in it. This is the Raglan High-Low, size large. And just, I don't know if you can see kind of the high-low at the hem, but True Religion. And it would be really cute over a tank top. So with that one, I'm hoping to get 20 to 28. I don't think I've sold this exact pair, but I've sold something similar. So this is Zara Woman. And these are black embroidered on the sides. And they're like a raw hem and just kind of a skinny leg. These were a size 6, but I've sold some, and I don't know if they were the exact ones, so I'm gonna have to go back and look, but they sold very quickly on eBay, I believe. So I'm gonna probably get 26 to 32 for these. The pile's growing. All right, so this is a Lucky brand. This just is, I mean, it's nothing fancy. It's just a really great basic, but it just feels like a very heavy knit. Like it would feel really nice on. Obviously, you'd have to probably wear a little cami underneath, but I do pick up Lucky brand for myself. This is an extra large. If I don't know, I'm getting a little pickier, but I do sell Lucky, and people buy it. So I thought that would be really cute for fall. With that one, I'm hoping to get about 26 to 32. I feel like a sneeze is coming. And I'm not going to edit this video, so we're just going to leave that in. Sorry, guys. So this is another really cute, I love fuzzy sweaters. I think I've said this in past videos, and my mom hates them, which is funny. But this is a size US 8. It's Topshop. And it's very soft. And it looks like it's a little bit of a cropped style. Like not super cropped, but just a shorter length. So with that one, I'm hoping to get about 26 to 32. This one is the only one that I might keep. And it's because it's in my top 5 favorite bands. And because I wear a lot of casual stuff for this job. I didn't realize, so I saw this on the front, I picked it up, I guess I didn't inspect it because I didn't look at the back, but I couldn't read it in there. I didn't care, I just thought it was kind of fun. And I thought at the very least I could take it to a consignment store. But then I realized when I got home there are band dates, and it's actually Radiohead, which this is just such a cool shirt. I found this shirt had sold, this is the 2017 tour tee, one of theirs, and size medium, men, so yeah. But I think I actually might keep this because I wear a lot of black, and this is just one of my favorite bands, or I might wear it a few times and then sell it. But with that, if I sell it, I'm hoping to get about 26 to 32. This is another True Religion item, and these are kind of like a coated, I don't know if it's picking up, coated fabric, I guess. The True Religion tag, and this is a size extra small. They're just kind of joggers. So I did find a couple pairs, and so with this I'm hoping to get about 20 to 28. There's some strings I need to trim, but that's about it. This one I thought was really fun, and I do like picking up the funky Zara Man items. Not all, I've been passing on some kind of more plain Zara Man items, but if they're kind of unusual, I will definitely pick them up because they sell well and quickly for me. But this is just a chunky knit kind of cardigan sweater, and Zara Man. And this does say Sporta Moda, but this is a size US medium. And yeah, I just thought it was really great for fall. With this, I'm hoping to get about 26 to 32. This is a Hale Bob, and I pass up most things that have a stain, but this one had a minor stain on the front. It came out in the wash though. It was kind of right down here, and it just looked like a surface stain. It didn't look like it was some deep. So anyways, this is kind of a tunic, maybe short dress, but I think it's a tunic length. I haven't taken photos of this. But it's really cute. I have sold Hale Bob a few times. I didn't show. And so I'm expecting, this is size extra small, I'm expecting about 26 to 32 for that as well. Just a couple more items. This is an Anthropologie. I thought this was just so adorable. It's like a midi length skirt, but as you can see, there's just a lot of, like, there's a little bit of a slit on both sides, lots of kind of stuff, flowy stuff. And this is the Anthropologie, the Lil line that they have. And yeah, I love green. I wish this was my size 6. So with that one, I'm hoping to get about 20 to 28. Whoops. And then, I don't know if I should pick this up. I have sold this brand. It's Beth Bowley, which is also sold at Anthropologie. I thought these were so cute, and I couldn't look up comps there that day, so I just took a chance, but I couldn't find any. These are kind of cropped. I just think these would be so cute with a pair of heels for fall. I really liked the colors. So with that one, only hoping for about 18 to 24. Looks like their pants don't do that great. This one I also wasn't sure of, and because I couldn't look up comps, I thought it's lightweight. It's just a little black cropped top, but it has this kind of, it's kind of rolled back here. And this is Shopo. So it's designed in Australia. It's US 10. I think this would be really cute underneath something. Just kind of simple, but easy to wear. So with that one, I'm only hoping to get about 10 to 12. And then the last item was another one that I wasn't sure, but it was light. And again, it's really hard when I can't look up comps. And there is a tip where you can switch to, like if you're LTE, you can switch to 4G. You can do some stuff with your cell to potentially get cell service in kind of high busy areas, but nothing was working for me that day. So anyways, these are kind of a high-waisted bikini bottom, which I thought were really cute. And it looks like I'm only gonna get about 10 to 12 for this. Size medium, and it's Zaffle. I'm not sure if it's picking up, but it doesn't look like they do that well. So that's what I'm hoping for. So in total, 26 items. I spent $39.52 on this stuff. I'm hoping to get somewhere between the range of $725 to $916, which is definitely not bad. Those boots that I found, big thank you to Margaret for letting me know that it was a good brand, and I'll keep an eye out for that brand. But yeah, it was a good bins day, so I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.